In this question, you have to match the components given in list 1 with that of list 2. Now, the scapula is a large triangular flat bone which is located in the dorsal area of the thorax, spanning from the second to the seventh ribs. Thus, A matches with 4. Now, flat skull bones demonstrate fibrous joints, that is, fusing end to end through dense fibrous connective tissues in the sutures to create the cranium. Thus, B matches with 3. The sternum is a flat bone positioned along the ventral midline of the thorax. Thus, C matches with 2. And cartilaginous joints between adjacent vertebrae in the vertebral column allow for restricted movements. Thus, D matches with 1. Hence, the correct answer is option A.